are going to learn a new topic, anagrams, a funny topic in English grammar, in which the words are different but alphabets are same. अब हम एनाग्राम पढ़ने वाले हैं. एनाग्राम में इंग्लिश के जो वर्ड्स है वो बदल जाते हैं लेकिन उनके अल्फाज सेम रहते हैं. दिस इज सच अ लाइक अ गेम. नाउ वी प्रेजेंट अ एग्जांपल. द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज नेट. NET नेट. NET नेट. NET नेट. नेट यानी जाली. Word is called net. The alphabets are NENT. Now we change the word 10EN. The alphabets are same. TEN. The words are changed. Net and 10. This called anagrams. Now the second word, earth. The alphabets are EARTH. Now the alphabets are same but the word are changed. HEART. Heart. यहाँ दिल, ये जमीन. लफ्ज बदल गया लेकिन अल्फाबेट्स नहीं बदले. That's called anagrams. Now the third one, God. 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 Now the change, DOG. Dog. The alphabets are same but the word and their meaning are changed. Now the fourth word, elbow. 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 The alphabets are same. The word change. BELOW. 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 Elbow. Below. Alphabets are same and such type called the anagram. Another word, tar. 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 Now the alphabet same. RAT. rat. Now the another word, open. 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 Now the word change. Peon. 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 Now in our book there are certain 8 to 10 words. We are remembering that words. The first one, dairy. 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 Now the word change. DIARY. 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 The place of alphabets are changed. Glean. 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 Glean make the same alphabet with the different word. Angel. ANGLE. Angel. We starting the same topics. Anagram. The words are different. Glean. 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 That means angle. Our angel. ANGLE. Angle. Now another word, farmer. FORMER. Farmer. That makes reform. 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 Now the another word, auction. 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 That makes caution. CAUCAUTION. CAUTION. The words are changed but the alphabets are same. Listen. 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 Here AT is silent. Listen. Now the word silent. 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 Now the another word, allergy. ALLERGY. Now the word change, largely. LARGELY. Now the another one, next word we are going to learn, funeral. FUNERAL. Thus see the alphabet. FUNERAL. Now the word change, real fun. REALFUN. REALFUN. Real fun. The word meaning change but the alphabets are same. Teacher. 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 This is not a reliable word. Cheater. But the words are, the meanings are changed. Alphabets are the same. CHEATER. And the last two word, dormitory. 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 And the new word, dirty room. Dirty room. DIRTYROOM. So this is a game type anagrams, a part of grammar, part of language learning, in which we are going to, the words are different but the alphabets are same. We should play this in class, this at room, this in our home also, with our friends, with our sister and brother. So student, got you 15 words. The words are changed but the alphabets are same. That's called anagrams. Thank you.